Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you the basic endgame skills, and this is very much important if you're learning chess to learn the endgame first, because the pieces all the pieces have exchanged in the middle game, and now you are white and left with a pawn, and king and black has nothing left but the king only. And this rule that we are going to learn today is called the opposition. Opposition means the opponent king doesn't let your king to enter into his territory. If you see this position, it is a theoretical draw. It means that if black plays accurately, then this game is a draw. You cannot win this game. So let's try. What is opposition? Let's find it out. We are playing Stockfish level 8, and this is the highest engine that is given on any chess app. I'm playing on Chess. So let's make a king move. So always remember, in the end game, your king belongs to the center. Okay, so whenever you are in the end game, bring your king towards the center. Now see how Stockfish gives the opposition to us, and how we are going to give opposition to Stockfish level. So let's play this move. I played king to c3 because if I would play the king on e2 or c2, then the black king would capture our pawn on d4, and that would be a draw as well. So now we want to enter into his territory. Now Stockfish played king to d6, and see, we cannot move our king to c5 square, and if we go to b5, then uh, Stockfish will play king to d5 and would capture our pawn in the next move, because we won't be able to come near the black king. So what can we do? We can push the pawn. So let's push it. We play d5. So Stockfish is going back. We are bringing our king again. And now this king move, king to c7, gives the position to white, to us. And now we cannot bring our king to d6 or b6. So we have to push the pawn. King to d7, we cannot push the pawn, so let's give him opposition. That's good. Now we are bringing the king into black's territory, and see, it's opposition. And now we cannot progress, and this game is a draw. Why? Because if we play d7 check, then the king goes to d8 square, and if you try to hold on to this pawn, see that the pawn is covering e8 and c8 square, and if you play king to d6, then the king will have no square left and it will be stalemate. That means a draw. So it's a stalemate, it's a draw. So I hope you learned something. Practice this end game and try to hold on to opposition.